How to check your Landbank ATM balance online. So you can either do this in the app or your preferred browser, but in the app, just go ahead and log into the account you want to see your balance in. So log in with the email you use and use your password. Then just go ahead to your accounts and you should be able to see all of the accounts if you have multiple, but you'll be able to see of the balance of each of your accounts. If you want to go ahead and do this in your browser, just go ahead and search for ibpiaccess.com or just search for Landbank online and then log into that one. So you can see over here, you can put in your username and password. Once you log in, you should be able to see all of your accounts inside that email you used, and you'll be able to see your Landbank ATM balance. But that's pretty much how you do this process. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.